Hello everyone, my name is Putri Dianora and I'm from International Accounting 2018. In this video, I'd like to tell you guys about an app called Kredivo. But before we begin, let us take a look at financial technology first. With the rapid growth of e-commerce, people tend to move on from conventional shopping to online shopping. And because of this trend, the growth of financial technology also increases. So, what is financial technology? Financial technology, often shortened to fintech, is the technology and innovation that aims to compete with traditional financial methods in the delivery of financial services. It is an emerging industry that uses technology to improve activities in finance. It describes the use of technology to deliver financial services and products to consumers. This could be in the areas of banking, insurance, investing, anything that relates to business or finance. Although it's a relatively new word, fintech is actually nothing new. Technology has always changed the financial industry. However, the internet, combined with the widespread use of devices like smartphones and tablets, means the speed of this change has accelerated greatly in recent years. Well, if you really enjoy shopping expensive things online, you may have heard about Chill, Pay Later, Home Credit, or maybe even Kredivo. Those are the examples of fintech. Now, what is Kredivo? Well, Kredivo is a digital credit platform in the form of mobile application that gives you the convenience to buy now and pay later in 30 days without interest, or with installments of 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months with a 2.95% interest per month. Kredivo has worked with more than 350 merchants throughout Indonesia. So if you're familiar with Shopee, Lazada, Bukalapak, Tokopedia, and etc., it is easier for you to choose a flexible payment method. You can also apply for a credit limit withdrawal to get a liquid cash loan in only 5 minutes. And how to register is also very easy. You can just download the Kredivo application on the Google Play Store if you're using an Android, or the Apple App Store if you're using an iOS. The key features of Kredivo. Kredivo is very easy to register. You only need your ID card to sign up and it only takes 1 minute. Usually, when you make a loan in a bank or any other credit source, you will be surveyed for several days, right? And that is kind of embarrassing though. But by using Kredivo, all the processes you need to do to make an installment are done online and without surveys, of course. And then 2 clicks to buy. Say goodbye to endless forms. There is no need to fill out endless forms anymore. You only need 1 account for each transaction and get your items with just 2 clicks. And of course, you receive the items before paying. And low interest. Kredivo comes with installments of 30 days with a 0% interest, or 3, 6, and 12 months with an interest of only 2.95% per month. That is 50% cheaper than other online loans. It also provides no down payment, which is really helpful, and the credit limit is also quite large, up to 30 million rupiah. Kredivo is also safe and comfortable to use because your data security is guaranteed and all your personal data is encrypted. You can set up your PIN, and every time you make a transaction, they will give you an OTP or one-time password to protect your account. And of course, your account is registered and monitored by the Financial Services Authority or OJK. That is the website of Kredivo. It says buy now, pay later, and download the app on Google Play or App Store. Those are some merchants that Kredivo has worked with. Yeah, you guys have known all of them, right? And that's the way to use Kredivo. You use the credit limit, and then you receive the items, and then you pay them later. Now the registration is quite simple. The first thing you have to do is just click on the application, and then it shows up like this. Then you click on the Get Started, and then it will show the live transactions. Now if you don't have an account yet, you have to click Apply for Kredivo. And then you have to choose which account that you want to apply for. Those are two different accounts. What are the difference? Well, let's take a look. Now, that's if you click on the basic account. It requires your ID card, your minimal income level, and then you have to live in Indonesia, like anywhere in Indonesia. That's when you click a premium account. It requires your ID card, your income level, and you have to live in those areas, like only in those areas. Then after you choose, you have to fill your personal information like your full name, your phone number, your email address, your mother's name, your last education level, marital status, job information, and last, your residence address. And then you click submit. After that, you are asked to take a picture of your ID card. And then you are asked to take a picture of your face to match the picture on your ID card. After that, all you have to do is just wait. Yeah, that's just as simple as that. You just have to wait for the verification. How to use Kredivo? Well, browsing for hours makes you want to buy many useful things, right? Let's say this time you want to buy a new Samsung phone, but you want to pay it in credit. So how do you do it? Well, the first thing you have to do is go to samsung.com/id and choose the phone that you want to buy, and then add it to cart. After that, make sure the item in the cart is correct. Then choose Pay Now. And then, under the payment method, click on Cicilan tanpa kartu kredit. After that, you have to choose the pay later payment that you like. There are so many options. You can pay in 30 days or in 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. And after that, you scroll down and log into Kredivo with your phone number and PIN. You will receive an OTP or one-time password that has been sent to your phone number, and you just have to insert the OTP. After that, wait for a while for the transaction to be processed and successful. Now, you guys have questioned about how to make a payment per month. So, how do you make a payment per month? You can do it on the tab Transactions on the Kredivo application. Then, you just have to click Pay. After clicking Pay, the amount to be paid will appear like that. Then you can pay with any payment channels that are available. Besides its interesting key features, Kredivo has several weaknesses. First, the premium account is only available in 13 regions, which are Jabodetabek, Bandung, Surabaya, Semarang, Palembang, Medan, Bali, Yogyakarta, Solo, Makassar, Malang, Sukabumi, and Cirebon. Another weakness is on the registration step. People are asked to take a picture of their ID card and their face, but sometimes you do not look like the picture on your ID card, right? So it impacts on rejection. Well, if Kredivo does not approve your application, then you are not allowed to sign up for the next 3 months. And that is kind of upsetting, really upsetting. And that just happened to me like a few days ago. Yeah, they sent me a text message like this. Like that. And another weakness is there is a 3% fee for late payment. But that is not a big problem though, because I think that is the way they protect their business, and that is the way they build trust with users, right? People tend to move on from conventional shopping to online shopping, and because of this trend, the growth of financial technology also increases. This benefits people in many ways, and one of them is credit installment. Kredivo is one of the examples. Well, Kredivo is actually a good app to choose because it provides low interest installment with no down payment, but it has several weaknesses. So it depends on you to choose whatever application that you want to choose, right? And that is all. Thank you so much for listening and watching. If you guys like it, then give it a thumbs up. If you don't, then it's okay. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and Ramadan Kareem, y'all.